Hello, Namaste, Konnichiwa, welcome to Sunny Sensei. In this lesson, we'll prove that equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center of the circle. So, what do we have? We have a circle with center O and two equal chords, AB and CD. AB equals CD. We need to prove that angle AOB equals angle COD. Now let's move to the proof. Focus on triangles AOB and COD. OA equals OC. Why? Both are radii of the same circle. Similarly, OB equals OD. Again, OB and OD are radii of the same circle. Finally, we know that AB equals CD. This is given to us. We have three pairs of equal corresponding sides. So, by the SSS criterion for congruence, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Now, corresponding angles of congruent triangles are equal. So, angle AOB equals angle COD. We are done. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sunny Sensei. Thank you and see you again soon.